here's all the stuff we took out. As you can see, this is really corroded, like really bad. I'm glad that we decided to change to new connectors. And the old, that's a TMP line. This is the old TMP valve. Okay, that's what they had on before. And these are the earthquake straps. They're all messed up. Anyways, this is how it looks. So we got your new water connectors at the top. Okay, see? And then we got your two earthquake straps. Then we got your new TMP line, a valve. And this is the line that goes out. So now it's going out. See? We drilled it all the way. We drilled the block. But it's good to go.